Hello, welcome to Ellie V Toys. It is day 11. That's one, and one which doesn't make two, it makes 11. See, that's really faulty maths. And they're all about maths at the moment. And there's a heart on it, so I wonder if that's a hint. Okay, so there's no heart inside, so the heart on the outside was not a hint at all. Oh, actually, I lied. There are little hearts in here, so we can interpret that however we like. There's cute little hearts inside. I don't quite know what we're building, so let's have a better look at the instructions while I pull this open, and we'll see what we've got in here, and then we get to put together today's little Lego Christmas ornament, which they've been so cute. Have you had a favorite build so far? I know we're only 11 days in, so really you've only got 10 to count apart from today, but they've been so cute. So we've got these little square, look, see, they're not very straight. Let's straighten them up. I'm already assuming I know what this is. It looks to me like a chocolate bar. In fact, is it no, hold on. Is Top Deck the one with the white on the top or the white underneath? Do you even have the Top Deck chocolate in your country, or is that an Australian thing? And everyone's scratching their head going, what on earth is Ellie talking about? Oh, that's really cute. That's where the heart is. So it's a block of chocolate. Yum, now I would like some chocolate. A block of chocolate with a little heart. Oh, with a green ribbon around it, kind of. Well, actually, it's not really around it, but it's pretty. It's really pretty. So I'm not interpreting this particularly well. We've got an extra little block just in case you eat one by accident, and we got a spot where we can hang it. That's really adorable. And Andrea is here. She wants to hold it, and you know what? I know that her hand doesn't fit on there. It doesn't stop me from keep trying. Surely they could have just made that a little bit wider so that mini dolls could hold on to it. That would have been a perfect world. In a perfect world. But that's all right. We've got a little block of chocolate, and oh no, we've already finished. How is that possible? Fine. Okay. That's enough tantrums, because tomorrow get to open up door number 12. So that will be halfway there. No, that's exciting. All right. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.